welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a review of a black peel-off mask that my sister purchased online. She is going to be featured in this video, and we're basically going to take you through our experience with it, and I will let you guys know how it went afterward. This is the peel-off mask that we have here. It's an acne purifying peel-off black mask that smooths skin texture. It says it increases complexion and it's a deep cleansing peel-off mask and removes blackheads, dirt, contaminations, while vitamin and plant extracts soften the skin to restore a youthful glow. And we have clean faces on right now. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get started with this face mask. And I'll do the other video and everything. Now we are going to wait 20-30 minutes for it to dry. You look crazy.
20 minutes later.
So how does it feel, Carly?
Very tight. I couldn't even drink water.
I can't move my face that well either. It's kind of like getting Botox, right?
I don't know what that feels like.
Me either. I'm just pretending. Anyways, we'll see you in a little bit. Okay, so it's been about 30 minutes. Our face is stuck.
I can't even smile. But this is how I normally look.
Okay, alright, so we're gonna start peeling now.
Yeah, I got it on my eyebrows. Can you see it? Oh my gosh.
Purchase your tracks today.
The day after, and I felt like it was really smooth the next day. It's super soft, and I feel like it's slightly clearer. It didn't prevent an acne from growing because I could feel this pimple growing last night, and so that's why I decided to do the face mask. But it's still present, but it's not like red or big or anything crazy like that. I think it did a good job of keeping it calm. That was the only skin thing that I had going on though. So it was really tightening when it started to dry on our faces. Like we could barely move our mouths. And it was kind of crazy, but I guess that's how you know it was like forming for you to peel it off or whatever. When we started peeling it off, it kind of hurt, but like we did it on our mom, and maybe she's more used to doing face masks than we are, but it didn't hurt for her. So it just hurt for us, and maybe it's because we don't do it often enough. But I was like, is it pulling all my peach fuzz off? I also think if we had done a thicker layer, that we maybe could have gotten better results. I felt like there was only parts of it where it did remove blackheads or whiteheads or anything like that. That's how I feel about it. I would definitely do it again. I would love to try other products. If you have any suggestions on things you want me to review, let me know down below and I'd be happy to do so. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you can be updated on whenever I make new videos, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!